Really? Wide. Look. Oh.
Tell me,
What's the fuck? You're the fucking soul. Seriously? It's a roundabout. I have priority, yeah. Fucking look! Fucking look, asshole!
Hey, Vickers!
God. Come on! Cuts in the corner, dude. I'm on a bike.
What's the problem?
You're the problem.
What is the problem?
You're the problem.
Explain me how
you
to
can't
drive.
drive.
You want me to explain me how to drive?
Yes, you don't cut the corner. You don't cut the corner on a street.
Show me. Come next to me. Come.
Stay there, asshole. What's fucking wrong with you? Really? Oh, stop! Oh. I know, yeah, but try indicating. Try indicating! What are you doing cutting a corner? Stay there, that's wide. Yeah. Stop sign. Come on. Really? What's wrong with you? Fucking cutting the corner.